don't want your classics car battery to be dead come springtime when you want to go out and play with it, so you probably ought to put a trickle charger on it. I've got a Topdon Tornado 1200 here. That's kind of an all-purpose, lower amperage trickle charger. Let's open it up and take a look at what's inside. Tornado 1200 is a 6 and 12 volt battery maintainer and charger, so that way if you've got, something even older with a 6 volt ignition or farm implements or, you name it with a 6 volt battery, this one will do it. Does cover a whole bunch of different lead acid batteries, wet cell, gel cell, AGM, and a couple others that I don't understand the abbreviations for, but that doesn't matter. I've got lead acid, wet cells, sealed ones, AGMs. This is going to work great. Let's open the box. Pretty straightforward. It's got a very nice foam box. You might want to consider keeping that around to put this guy in when you're not using it, because let's face it, that thing's not going to get hurt in there. You got the instruction manual in like 17 different languages. We only need one. But, 110 plug. It does have a little 5 amp fuse, if I can get this open. Little 5 amp fuse in there to prevent, overcharging and all that stuff, shorts and the like. Let's go put this on a car. Let's hook this guy up. I really like those nice plastic covers on those alligator clamps. It doesn't look like they're going to fall off like some other ones I've had. Anyways, I'm going to go to the power distribution block back there because this is a pain to get off. So the instructions say negative first, positive second. Let me make sure I'm clean and clear. And we're just going to hook it right on that nut. Then plug it in. You guys know how to hook up a battery charger. And here's what it looks like when it's charging. The little LED indicators will light up just to tell you how full the battery is. It's blinking at 100%, which is a good thing in this car, but it'll just keep it happy through the winter. So that's the Topdon Tornado 1200 charger, maintainer, trickle charger, float charger, all those good things. It'll keep your car happy through the winter. If you guys are interested in one, check the link in the description. Make sure you use my code at checkout for an additional 10% off. These things are pretty cheap, and it's money well spent to keep your car happy and easy to play with come springtime. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you later.